Luxury cars in Hollywood represent far more than transportation. They are a powerful symbol of status, success, innovation, and cinematic glamour that perfectly mirrors the city's larger-than-life personality. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills and Sunset Boulevard to the private driveways hidden behind gated mansions in Bel Air, Hollywood is a global showcase for the world's most exclusive and high-performance vehicles. Exotic supercars such as Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari SF90 Stradale, McLaren 726, and Bugatti Chiron are frequently spotted cruising past iconic landmarks, while ultra-luxury brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Maybach, and Aston Martin dominate red carpet arrivals, movie premieres, and celebrity events. For Hollywood celebrities, producers, influencers, and elite entrepreneurs, luxury cars are carefully chosen extensions of their personal brand, often customized with bespoke interiors, rare paint finishes, carbon fiber accents, and cutting-edge technology that reflects individuality and prestige. Electric luxury vehicles have also become a major trend in Hollywood, with stars embracing high-end sustainability through models like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan Turbo S, Lucid Air Sapphire, and electric Rolls-Royce Spectre, blending eco-conscious values with extreme performance and futuristic design. Hollywood's luxury car culture is deeply tied to the entertainment industry, where studios, streaming giants, and sponsorship deals turn rare vehicles into marketing icons, frequently featured in blockbuster films, music videos, and viral social media content that reaches millions worldwide. Luxury car dealerships across Los Angeles cater specifically to this elite market, offering white-glove services, private showrooms, celebrity-only viewings, and international sourcing of limited-edition hypercars worth millions of dollars. Car customization studios and tuning houses further elevate the scene, transforming already exclusive vehicles into one-of-one masterpieces with performance upgrades, luxury materials, and personalized aesthetics that make each car instantly recognizable. Car spotting in Hollywood has become a global phenomenon, with fans and content creators documenting rare sightings of multi-million-dollar vehicles, from vintage classics restored to perfection to futuristic concept-inspired builds. The Hollywood lifestyle demands vehicles that deliver comfort, power, and visual impact. Whether gliding silently through upscale neighborhoods or roaring onto the valet line of a five-star hotel, as trends continue to evolve, Hollywood remains at the forefront of luxury automotive culture, setting global standards for design, performance, sustainability, and exclusivity, making the city not just a center of film and fame, but one of the most influential luxury car capitals in the world. Beyond the streets and studios, luxury cars in Hollywood also play a major role in shaping global automotive trends and consumer. Luxury cars in Hollywood represent far more than transportation. They are a powerful symbol of fame, success, creativity, and influence woven deeply into the city's lifestyle and global image. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills and Sunset Boulevard to the private driveways of Malibu mansions, Hollywood has long been a showcase for the world's most exclusive and high-performance vehicles. Celebrities, producers, directors, and global influencers often choose luxury cars not only for comfort and speed, but also as a reflection of their personal brand. Iconic marks such as Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Aston Martin, McLaren, and Range Rover dominate the scene, each offering a blend of cutting-edge engineering, handcrafted interiors, and unmistakable prestige. In Hollywood, a Rolls-Royce Phantom or Cullinan, gliding past red carpet events, symbolizes timeless elegance and old-school glamour, while a Lamborghini Aventador or Ferrari SF90 seen roaring through the hills reflects bold personality, youthful energy, and a love for adrenaline. Electric luxury has also become a major trend, with stars embracing Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan, Lucid Air, and other high-end EVs to align performance with sustainability and modern innovation. Customization plays a huge role in Hollywood's luxury car culture. Matte wraps, bespoke paint colors, carbon fiber accents, personalized interiors, custom wheels, and performance upgrades help celebrities stand out in a city where uniqueness is everything. Luxury SUVs like the Range Rover Autobiography, Mercedes-Maybach GLS, Bentley Bentayga, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan are especially popular for daily driving, offering privacy, comfort, and commanding road presence while navigating LA traffic with ease. Hollywood's relationship with luxury cars is also fueled by the film and music industries, where exotic vehicles frequently appear in blockbuster movies, music videos, and high-budget commercials, turning cars into stars of their own. Red carpet premieres, award shows, and exclusive after-parties often feature fleets of ultra-luxury vehicles, reinforcing the connection between cinematic success and automotive excellence. Beyond aesthetics, these cars deliver world-class performance. Advanced driver assistance systems, handcrafted leather, premium sound systems, and state-of-the-art technology, ensuring that luxury meets practicality in a fast-paced city. Social media has further amplified Hollywood's luxury car culture, with viral photos and videos of celebrity car collections, reaching millions of fans worldwide, inspiring trends and shaping global tastes. Ultimately, luxury cars in Hollywood are a living expression of ambition and achievement, blending art, technology, and status into a moving spectacle that continues to define the city's identity as the entertainment capital of the world. In addition, Hollywood's luxury car scene is supported by elite dealerships. Luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than just a means of transportation. They are rolling symbols of fame, power, success, and personal branding that perfectly mirror the glamour-driven culture of the entertainment capital of the world. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the iconic Sunset Boulevard and the private driveways hidden behind gated mansions in Bel Air, luxury and exotic vehicles are a daily spectacle that feels almost cinematic. Hollywood celebrities, producers, influencers, and high-profile entrepreneurs gravitate toward brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, McLaren, Porsche, and Mercedes-Maybach, each vehicle reflecting a carefully curated image of wealth and individuality. A Rolls-Royce Phantom or Cullinan, gliding silently past a red carpet venue, conveys timeless elegance and old-money prestige, while a neon-wrapped Lamborghini Aventador or Ferrari SF90, Stradale roaring through West Hollywood, signals youthful success, bold confidence, and social media dominance. Hollywood's luxury car culture is deeply intertwined with film premieres, award shows, paparazzi moments, and viral Instagram content, where a car is often as much a star as the person stepping out of it. Customization plays a huge role, with matte finishes, bespoke interiors, carbon fiber accents, personalized stitching, and exclusive colorways becoming standard among elite owners who want their vehicle to be instantly recognizable. Electric luxury cars have also carved out a strong presence, with Tesla's high-performance models, the Porsche Taycan, and the Rolls-Royce Spectre aligning perfectly with Hollywood's growing emphasis on sustainability, without sacrificing performance or status. Car collectors in Hollywood often maintain private garages resembling museums, housing limited production hypercars and rare classics that appreciate in value while serving as passion projects. Luxury car dealerships in the area are designed like five-star lounges, offering concierge-level service, private unveilings, and VIP-only access to the latest models. Beyond ownership, leasing and short-term supercar rentals are common, allowing stars to match their vehicle to an event, mood, or brand partnership. In Hollywood, luxury cars are not just about speed or comfort. They are storytelling tools, extending a celebrity's persona into the physical world and reinforcing the idea that success should be seen, heard, and admired. This constant fusion of cinema, celebrity culture, and cutting-edge automotive design ensures that Hollywood remains one of the world's most influential stages for luxury cars, where every drive feels like a scene from a high-budget film and every vehicle contributes to the ongoing narrative of aspiration, exclusivity, and modern glamour. Beyond the spotlight, luxury cars in Hollywood also shape trends that ripple across global markets, influencing design choices, color palettes, and technology adoption worldwide. What appears luxury cars in Hollywood are more than just a mode of transportation. They are a powerful symbol of fame, success, and an elite lifestyle that defines the entertainment capital of the world. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills and Sunset Boulevard to the red carpets of movie premieres, Hollywood showcases an unmatched collection of high-end automobiles that reflect the personalities and status of celebrities, producers, influencers, and industry executives. Exotic brands such as Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, McLaren, and Porsche are a common sight, often customized with bespoke interiors, rare paint finishes, carbon fiber details, and cutting-edge technology. These luxury vehicles blend performance, comfort, and prestige, making them a natural extension of Hollywood's glamorous image. Electric luxury cars like the Tesla Model S Plaid, Lucid Air, and high-end Mercedes EQ models are also gaining popularity, aligning with the city's growing focus on sustainability, while still delivering jaw-dropping speed and innovation. Hollywood's luxury car culture is deeply connected to celebrity influence, as paparazzi photos, social media posts, music videos, and blockbuster films regularly feature these vehicles, turning them into global style icons. A single appearance of a supercar driven by an A-list actor can instantly boost the car's popularity and brand value worldwide. Luxury SUVs such as the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Urus, Bentley Bentayga, and Range Rover Autobiography dominate daily driving, offering a perfect balance between performance, space, and comfort for busy Hollywood lifestyles. Car customization studios and premium dealerships across Los Angeles cater specifically to elite clients, offering one-off builds, armored options, advanced security systems, and concierge-level services. Hollywood is also known for hosting exclusive car events, private unveilings, and invitation-only showcases where ultra-rare hypercars and concept vehicles are revealed to a select audience. Beyond luxury and speed, these cars represent personal branding. Each vehicle choice tells a story about its owner's taste, success, and individuality. Whether cruising down Rodeo Drive, arriving at an awards show, or being spotted outside a private studio, luxury cars remain an essential part of Hollywood's visual identity. They fuel aspirations, set global trends, and continue to define what automotive excellence looks like in the world of fame and entertainment, making Hollywood a true global capital for luxury and supercar culture. In Hollywood, luxury cars also play a major role in shaping modern pop culture and cinematic storytelling, often becoming characters themselves in films, TV shows, and high-budget commercials. Directors and producers carefully select high-end vehicles to symbolize power, sophistication, rebellion, or futuristic ambition, ensuring that each car aligns with the narrative and visual tone of the project. Limited. Luxury cars in Hollywood are far more than just a mode of transportation. They are a powerful symbol of status, success, and personal branding in the global entertainment capital. From the palm-lined streets of Beverly Hills to the sunset glow of Malibu's coastal highways, Hollywood is a daily showcase of some of the world's most exclusive and high-performance vehicles. Celebrities, producers, influencers, and business moguls are often seen behind the wheel of ultra-luxury brands such as Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, McLaren, and Aston Martin, each car reflecting a carefully curated image of wealth and individuality. Rolls-Royce, Cullinans, and Phantoms glide quietly through gated neighborhoods, offering unmatched comfort, bespoke interiors, and a sense of timeless elegance that appeals to A-list actors and studio executives alike. In contrast, Lamborghinis and Ferraris dominate the valet lines outside red carpet premieres, exclusive parties, and five-star hotels. Their aggressive styling, roaring engines, and eye-catching colors designed to command attention and spark conversation. Hollywood's luxury car culture is also deeply influenced by trends in customization, with matte wraps, carbon fiber accents, custom wheels, and personalized interiors, becoming standard among high-profile owners who want their vehicles to be as unique as their public personas. Super SUVs like the Lamborghini Urus, Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and Mercedes-Maybach GLS have become especially popular, blending everyday practicality with extreme luxury and performance, making them ideal for navigating Los Angeles traffic while still arriving in style. Electric luxury vehicles are rapidly gaining traction in Hollywood as well, driven by the city's strong focus on sustainability and innovation, with stars increasingly choosing Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan, Lucid Air, and electric Rolls-Royce Spectre to align their lifestyle with eco-conscious values without sacrificing speed or comfort. The influence of Hollywood extends far beyond its borders, as the luxury cars seen cruising. Rodeo Drive or parked outside private studios often set global trends, inspiring fans and car enthusiasts worldwide. Social media and paparazzi culture further amplify this impact, turning every celebrity car sighting into viral content and reinforcing the connection between fame and exotic automobiles. Luxury dealerships, elite car rental services, and private collectors thrive in this environment, offering rare limited edition models and short-term access to hypercars that can cost millions of dollars. In Hollywood, a luxury car is not just an object, it is a statement. A lifestyle choice and a moving piece of art that represents ambition, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, making the city one of the most iconic and influential luxury car hubs in the world. Beyond daily street sightings, Hollywood's luxury car scene is fueled by exclusive octai.